Introducing the Moppet Mini, a commercial floor scrubber that is perfect for convenience stores, restaurants, all types of industrial shops, and homes. The Moppet Mini is maneuverable enough to get into corners and tight spaces. The brush hood height is less than 3 inches, so you can get under cabinet toe kicks and other short objects. With the handle in the down position, the Moppet height is only 26.75 inches, so you can go under tables and bars. The optional Moppet Mini Drive handle makes the Moppet Mini easy to drive with the handle down. Are you ready for your employees to look forward to cleaning the floor? The Moppet will change their least favorite task into an easy and enjoyable one. Mopping can't compete with the Moppet's scrub brush, spinning at 1450 RPMs. The Moppet Mini is so easy to use that a child can do it. The first time you put your dirty mop back into the mop bucket, your mop water is contaminated, and then you're just spreading dirt and germs uniformly around the floor. The Moppet always applies clean soapy water to the floor, scrubs the floor, and then vacuums up the dirt and germs into a separate tank. Thanks to the Moppet, there will be no more tracks on a wet floor because the Moppet dries the floor instantly. The Moppet Mini is perfect for small areas like bathrooms. With the optional Moppet Reach Kit, you can effectively clean the areas the Moppet can't get into, like behind toilets and inside small bathroom stalls. The Moppet is powerful enough to clean even the dirtiest floors. You won't need worry anymore about your high traffic and soda fountain areas. The Moppet will clean them quickly, and the floor is left dry. Customers can walk on the floor immediately without risk of slipping. Throw away your wet floor signs and say goodbye to slip and fall worries. For deeper cleaning, you can lift the squeegee and make multiple passes over the floor before dropping the squeegee to pick up the water. With the Moppet's 2.9-gallon water capacity, you'll be able to clean for between 20 and 40 minutes before refilling, depending on what water output you choose. At 77 decibels, the Moppet is quiet enough to use during business hours around your customers. The Moppet performs well on most hard floor surfaces like grouted tile, LVP and LVT, sealed concrete, vinyl tile, and sealed hardwoods. When you're finished cleaning the floor, it's easy to drain the dirty water and you will be amazed how much dirt you have cleaned off of your floor. Plug the Moppet in when you're not using it so that it will be fully charged for the next use. On a full charge, the Moppet will run for about 1 hour. That's enough time to clean 8 to 10K square feet. Whether you decide to purchase or lease the Moppet, we are sure to have an option that will work well for you. To learn more, visit our website, www.moppet.com, or call us at 1-800-290-2833.